Are you struggling with your meditations? Do you feel like they're just becoming a bit mundane and you're not getting any results right now? Are you going through a bit of a dry patch with your meditations and your self-reflection? You feel you're at a bit of a stagnant level? I'm going to explain something in this video that will really help you to this point. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post. But other than that, let's jump right in. Before the rainbow, there must be rain. Before the breakthrough, usually is a breakdown. So this period of your life right now where you feel like you're just hitting a wall, you're just not going anywhere, you feel a bit stagnant with your meditations, I'm giving an example because I've been doing this. The last few days, I've been meditating much longer than usual. I've been sitting there for about an hour and not really seeing much difference. I get to a point where I feel the energy running through me and I can feel some gratitude and I can get some tears streaming. That's my goal. But I'm not seeing too many differences. What I theorized today on my walking meditation on the beach, which again I didn't get great results from, was the fact that in order to break through, we have to hit that stump. And when we hit that enough times, eventually we begin to break through and transcend our to the next level. So if you feel like you are just hitting a wall, if you feel like you are hitting a barrier, if you feel like you just can't pull that tree stump out of the ground, I want you to know that this is very symbolic for you to say. And again, from my current state of ignorance, my present state of ignorance, I could be totally wrong with this. But what if this is perfectly right? When something's not working right, you just have to keep going. And it really is like this picture here that I'm going to show you about if you just keep going, you will eventually get there. You will get that which you desire. And in the book Think and Grow Rich, there's a great story called 3 Feet from Gold. It's an incredible story about how someone gave up literally before hitting gold, where they were literally drilling for gold. So that is a perfect indication to say, when you feel like you are being stagnant, when you feel like things aren't working, just keep going. I wanted this video to be short. I wanted this video to be sweet because it just came into my mind. I've been going through this and I will let you know once I start to make those breakthroughs in aspect to everything I'm working towards. And let's see how long it took. I videoed this on the 14th of the 4th, 2021. And let's see where I am in the next 2 weeks to a month. And I may do a quick catch-up video on this, sort of referring back to this video. But have an amazing day. Keep spreading love, kindness, and so much positivity.